In this video, you're going to learn how to use the snipping tool. The objective of this lesson is you will use the snipping tool in order to copy, paste, modify images and text. First things first, let's find the snipping tool. You come down to the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see the Start button. When you click that little button, normally you'll probably be able to find the snipping tool in the list of programs. If for some reason you don't see the snipping tool there, come down here where it says Search Programs and Files and search for it by typing in its name, SNI. To be honest, I only typed SNI and automatically the snipping tool showed up under the Programs list. So that's really all you need to type to find the snipping tool. Now I'm going to click on the snipping tool. And this is the snipping tool window. To move the window around, you click on the title bar. The title bar has the word snipping tool in it, and you can move it around. We may have to do this to keep it out of the way of things that we're snipping. Next up, I'm now going to click the word new. You'll notice the screen turns back to regular color. If I click new again, it turns gray. When it's gray, it's ready to snip. When it's regular color, it's not ready to snip. I'm going to go to a picture of Haloti Nata, and I'm going to snip his picture. I'm going to come back to the icon with the scissors for snipping tool. I'm going to click. You'll notice right now the snipping tool is kind of in the way of the picture. So what I'm going to do is click, move the snipping tool over to the side, and now I'm going to click new. You'll notice that the screen will turn grayed or whited out. Now I'm going to take my mouse and I'm going to click and drag over the portion of the picture that I want to snip. Once I let my mouse button up, that image goes into a snipping tool window, which is kind of nice. From there, all I need to do is to right-click on my mouse, come down to Copy, click Copy, then go to where I want to paste it. In this case, I'm going to paste it to a Word document. However, you can also paste items into a PowerPoint presentation. You can paste items into an email application. You can also paste items into any program that allows you to paste things into it. I'm going to make sure I have my cursor where I want the picture, and I do want the picture right there. So now I'm going to right-click and I'm going to paste. And that's when Haloti Nata shows up in my document. Here's one other feature you can do with the snipping tool. For this feature, I'm going to go to Joe Flacco's Wikipedia page. Here's the information about Joe Flacco. What I want to do in this case is to find information about Joe Flacco and snip it. Not an image, but actual text. So I'm going to move down here and hopefully find, there's NFL records. Once again, I'm going to come back to my snipping tool. I want to click new because I want to do a new snipping. And there's my snipping tool. I'm going to move the window over here just a little bit. I'm already set to go to new, and I'm going to snip his NFL records off of Wikipedia. Once I drag the box around what I want to snip, I let my mouse button up, and there it is. Here's two really neat features of the snipping tool. If you have a whole bunch of text that you've snipped but you want to highlight a few things, you can actually come to the highlighter. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to highlight quarterback to start 16 games and make the playoffs. I can also come and use a pen. If I wanted to underline something, I can make my pen red, blue, black. I'm going to use a blue pen, and I'm going to come over and underline games and make the playoffs. So what I've done is I've snipped the picture, and now I've highlighted and also underlined. Once I have everything underlined and highlighted the way I wish, once again, right-click, just like as you did with the image, come down to Copy, come back to the document or PowerPoint or wherever you want to put the snipping, and use my Enter key to bring the cursor down to its own line. I'm going to right-click, and I'm going to paste. And now I have my snipping inside my Word document. If the snipping is too large, you can always click on it and make it a little bit smaller by using little handlebars in the corner. Now your teacher will give you an activity where you will be able to use the snipping tool. If you have any questions about the snipping tool, you can watch this video again or raise your hand for help.